I'm Gian.
I'm Gab.
I'm CJ.
I'm Sen.
And we are Coco Joe! Very exciting. Just come on! Medyo kinakabahan kami kasi majority of the album naging very experimental kami. So parang very bago siya sa amin na for sure magiging very bago din sa listeners namin. Pero dapat nilang abangan kasi kami super nag-enjoy kami and grabe, every song, it's a definite bop. Yeah, and sobra namin pinur lahat ng emotions namin na hindi namin nasasabi in public. Wala naman, pero 100 million. Ano ba?
Siguro sa album na to, ayun, parang yung last time. Kasi nung last time naman, wala naman kami expectation na, like, hindi namin iniisip na, mag-hit to, like, ilang million na views. Same din rin naman to sa album na to, like, nirelease namin siya kasi gusto namin ma-express yung, yung artistic, creative side, and namin, passion namin. Ayun.
Tsaka gusto namin na ma-enjoy lang ng mga listeners namin yung art namin and ma-appreciate din nila lahat yun.
Yes. Right. So the 5 stages are denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Hindi namin pinili tong concept na to just to have a theme sa album, pero it's a story na napagdaanan namin na hopefully makarelate ang marami kasi alam namin it really happens in real life. And it's about time na we use our art to give light to these kinds of topic. Yeah.
Every song is my favorite
It's
song.
a personal favorite.
Pero abangan dapat track number 10, Silakbo.
Track number 9, Hinga.
Anong track? Track number 2, Wine.
Bagyo.
Track number 1,
Pahina. Track number
6.
6.
So, 1,
So, if you
so,
add that,
so 1, 2, 6, 9, 10. In a total of 100%. 100% raw emotions, 100% love. Hindi naman. Grabe naman na tama naman na itong interview na to. Just just like what we always say, hindi pa rin kami lagi makapaniwala. Kasi we feel like, paano ba? Ano bang napipil natin?
Parang feel namin na parang we're still the same senior high school students na nagpi-play pa lang sa classroom. Yung ganun parang just enjoy music. Kaya parang hindi pa nagsisinkin yung reality na andito na kami. Tapos magkakaroon ng 2-day sold out Araneta concert. Like, wow! Yeah. Sobrang thankful kami na we get to experience this in our lives. Kaya, yun, sobrang thank you.
Yeah, we value kasi our beginnings so much. Kaya every time na we achieve a milestone na parang ganito and then we look back sa kung saan kami nagmula, parang hindi kami makapaniwala na nangyayari na talaga siya. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. No, hindi po.
Parang kasi never nag-sync in sa amin na sikat na kami, ganun, may pangalan. Pero parang at this milestone na we're having a concert sa Araneta pa, parang ngayon yung parang isa sa mga realizations namin na ganun pala yung success na rin na nararating namin. Siguro, ganun. Ikaw?
Yeah. Hindi. Like, never naman namin parang nilook forward na magkaroon ng maraming streams, like makilala ng marami. We were just putting out songs dahil gusto namin, passion namin. And it's nice to see na na-appreciate din siya ng maraming tao and nakapag-resonate kami sa ibang tao. So, ayun.
Personally ako, yung nilook forward ko, it's seeing all the fans who paid to go there.
Yes.
And seeing how many na yung willing manood sa ganun kalaking venue para sa amin. Kasi ini-imagine ko pa lang na kasi sold out siya, so ina-expect ko, ay parang nabivisualize ko na yung sobrang raming tao sa Coliseum. Parang nakakalula, but at the same time, parang very, heartwarming.
Tsaka isa din sa nilolook forward ko yung yung mga reaction ng mga tao na makakanood ng concert, lalo na yung mga close sa atin, ganun, fans.
And syempre, nilook forward ko na ma-experience itong milestone with the whole band and the whole team.
Yes.
Producer namin sila Kuya Shad Jovel,
Yeah.
Kuya Abs Cairo, Kuya Jabez, mga yan. Yeah.
Everyone who was part of the production of the album. Parang magiging grand celebration namin yung concert. Yeah. Ganito. Hindi. Diyos ko po. Siguro ano ba? Like, siguro, yung Cup of Joe na nag-grow.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nag-mature.
Sure.
Nag-mature pero nag-Diyos ko po tayo dito.
Cup of Joe na behind the glitz and glam.
Yeah.
Parang in terms of coffee, Americano with no sugar.
Yeah, so parang makakakita tayo ng Cup of Joe na hindi nyo nakikita. Ayun. Basta yun. Ano yun? Ganito kami sa concert. Hi, Joas! Grabe, 6 years na tayo. And very thankful kami na we're growing bigger and bigger. Pati yung love niya sa amin is growing bigger and bigger. Know na ganun din kami sa inyo. Sobra namin kayo minamahal araw-araw. And ayun, sana ma-enjoy nyo tong album na to. Dinededicate namin to sa inyo. And the highest hopes na you will experience a deep kind of healing once you listen to this album na nagmula sa aming puso. Wow.
Yun. Kung wala kayo, wala kami.
Yeah.
Kaya maging proud kayo. Kasi yung success namin is success nyo rin.
Yes.
Yan. Ganda nung sinabi mo, kung wala kayo,
Wala kami.
wala kami. Kung wala kami, walang album. Kung walang album, walang
Wala na.
concert. So see you there.
Wala na ba talaga?
Hi, we are Cup of Joe. For more juicy showbiz bites, visit pikapika.ph.